Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send Ethereum from your Phantom wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even more user-friendly, but I'll walk you through every step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tutorial will have you transferring ETH in no time. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have both wallets set up on your device. You'll need some Ethereum in your Phantom wallet and the Trust Wallet app installed. Also, double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any potential risks. Crypto security is key. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app and navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Send button, usually represented by an arrow icon. Tap on it to start the transaction process. Step 2. In the Send interface, select Ethereum as the asset you want to transfer. Then, you'll need the recipient's address from your Trust wallet. Open Trust Wallet, go to the Ethereum section, and copy the wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Step 3. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the To field in Phantom wallet. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updates like Ethereum 3.0. Review the transaction details carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Hit the Confirm or Send button. You'll be prompted to verify with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Expect it to confirm in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your Trust wallet to see the ETH arrive. Pro tip. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into issues, like high fees, you might want to wait for lower network traffic. And there you have it. That's how you send Ethereum from Phantom to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.